Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Live Trading Action by InTheMoneyStocks. My name is Nick Santiago. Today is January 8, 2016. Stock I like to feature today is a company called Seagate Technologies. This is a disk drive maker. The stock has been on a downward trajectory for a long time. It looks like if you take a look at the stock, it peaked out right here going back to late December 2014, and it has been on a steady decline. Look at the trend here on the downside. So this thing is just getting massacred. Here you have a bearish pattern right here, and the stock is moving lower. A lot of traders are saying, hey, this is a good level to get in. Why don't we buy it now? And this is not a good level to get in. If you're going to look for a spot to get involved in this equity, you want to move all the way down to around the $28 level, and I'm going to show you that reason for doing that in just a moment. But around 28 bucks is where you could look for a little bit of a short-term bounce. And let me show you how I derived that level. If you take a look at, this is a weekly chart I have up. If you take a look at a monthly chart, this is where you have to go back to. You're going to see that the stock finally broke out right here. And then what did it do? It back tested, chopped around. Then it finally really broke out around this candle right here, and then you can see the stock really had a big run. You have to go all the way back to late 2012 to see the breakout candle. Now very often it's hard to say whether it's going to be $28, $25, or even $30. But in this case, if you do some simple mathematics, you'll see that it comes out right to around the $28 average. So if you're looking to play this stock just for a bounce, and I'm not saying you want to buy stocks that are in downtrends for a long period, but if you want to play this stock for a few dollar bounce, I think you get a very good risk-reward level at 28 bucks. Also, something else that I see at 28, which gives us a good reason to own it, is if you take a look at the pivots here, this pivot in particular from 2007, the high there was $28.91. If you take a look at the prior pivot here, the high there is $28.50. If you take a look at the prior pivot here, the high is $28.11. So we're just going to generally look right around that $28 level, and that should give us a very good risk reward where the institutions will come in and try to support this equity, at least for a short-term play. But if you're looking to bottom fish it right now, I would generally just wait. There's no real reason to get involved in this equity today. Let it move down to the $28 level. That's where you got a nice risk reward for a bounce play. With that being said, everybody, if you want to trade this and a bunch of other stocks alongside of us, come on over, take a 7-day free trial to our research center. You'll get all of our nightly chart setups. You'll get all of our cycle work, which really has been the last few years just absolutely incredible. You'll also get our No Hype Live broadcasts, which are twice a week, and you'll get our free webinars that we give out to all of the members that are part of the research center. So again, you get a lot of bang for the buck there, and there's a lot of value and a lot of learning. And with that being said, I want to wish you all just a great trading day, and we'll see you on the charts.